My dad's in jail.
Sesame Street has come a long way from just letters and numbers. Hey, I'm Gillian on Buzz 60. Sesame Street is expanding its lessons with the Little Children Big Challenges campaign. The latest lesson, how to deal with an incarcerated family member.
What's carcerated, and why was your dad in it?
Incarcerated is when someone breaks the law, a grown-up rule, and then they have to go to jail or prison.
The Little Children Big Challenges educational kit says it gives parents the tools they need to explain difficult situations to their kids, ages 2 through 8. It also tackles divorce.
Well, sometimes things don't work out with parents, even though they try and they try, so they decide not to be married anymore.
The program won't be part of the regular Sesame Street broadcast, but will be handed out to schools, therapists, and prisons. With about 1 in 28 U.S. kids having a parent behind bars, it makes sense that Sesame Street is taking on these tough issues. Although it kind of makes you miss these days.
You are Cookie Monster.
Buzz 60, now you know, pass it on.